So in this Etsy tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit your language settings here on Etsy. So once Etsy is opened up, I want you to go to the top right, press on your account, and then press on view your profile. Then go to where it says edit public profile right here. Then on this screen, I want you to go to the top left and press on account. And then just scroll down a little bit till you have your location settings here. So where it says language, you can go ahead and select your language. So you can do English, Dutch, Spanish, French, basically whatever language is showing right here, you can go ahead and do that and then save it accordingly that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to edit your language or how to edit the display language here on your Etsy account. Thanks again for watching and hope this video helps.